Okay, I ordered the CNC sliders and rollers from mywheel.com. I believe they're based out of, I don't know, I think Hungary or somewhere. I just received them, and as you can see, the sliders come numbered. The difference is as you can see, the rollers are offset. As you can tell, they are offset. So number 1 is offsetting to the left, and number 2, I suppose it depends how you look at it, but and number 2, it is offset that way. And they suggest keeping them in pairs. Doesn't matter which side what number goes on, but I'm putting on the right side, I'm putting the number 1s, and on the left I'm putting number 2s. Obviously you have to drop the motor and then you can't put the rollers on first and then put the slider on, because if you put the roller on, then you can't get to these screw holes. Now, I would say the easiest way is to undo 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and basically take this plate out, put it on a flat surface, and then mount the sliders. Because when it comes to pushing the rollers, you're gonna have to push down pretty hard. You're gonna have to use something like a bearing press, but I don't know if everyone is gonna have that. So what I'm gonna use is my hammer, and then I'm gonna use this guy, and I'm gonna put it is about the right size there, and I'm gonna hammer down on here. So if you do it with this mounted, and you're gonna bash on it, you're gonna break it. I would suggest, you see, so 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, this plate comes out, and then you can put it on the ground and put the rollers in. I was going to do that, but as usual, there is one screw that they have either put so much Loctite on it or just over torqued it. It is stripped. I won't be able to get it out, so I decided a 2x4 is just about the right height. So instead of taking it out, I'm gonna put a 2x4 on there here, where I'll be putting the sliders and the rollers on, and it is solid. But if you can take it off, I would say that's going to be the easiest. And then when you go to put it back on, put a dab of Loctite, and you're good to go. If you do decide to do it this way, you need to raise this up. Otherwise, because of these screws or bolts, it won't sit flat. So I just put 2 pieces of whatever they are, 2x3s under it, so there is no rocking sideways. And then that's it. I hear with these sliders, it makes a lot of difference to the suspension. So I'll put it on, and then I'll try it when the weather warms up and report back. Okay, so basically I put a dab of Loctite 243 blue on each bolt. I don't tighten them all. I put them in finger tight. Once all four are in, then I go and I torque them down. I don't know what torque setting, I just do it finger tight, and then another half a turn. The Loctite will keep it in there. And then you repeat that for the other three sliders, and then, as I said, put your either the plate or this contraption here on a solid surface, and then hammer them down. Okay, so basically I put the rollers on by hand, just get them in place, and then using doesn't have to be this, but something that is the same diameter. So basically you put it there, make sure you're on the race, hold it, and then about 3-4 taps should do it. I put these on. Basically I tap them down until it is seated all the way down. That's it.